Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy with your hands. This fascinating technique allows you to create a classic sweet treat using just a few basic ingredients and your own two hands. We'll explore the magic of transforming granulated sugar into delicate, airy strands, much like the cotton candy you find at fairs. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this unique, hands-on dessert experience. It's a fun and rewarding process that yields delicious results. To begin your hand-pulled cotton candy adventure, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. Combine these in a saucepan and heat them gently, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches precisely 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving the right consistency for pulling. Once ready, carefully pour it onto a lightly oiled, heat-resistant surface to cool for a few minutes. Now for the exciting part, pulling the sugar. Once your sugar mixture has cooled enough to handle, it should be firm but still pliable, like a thick, golden dough. Lightly oil your hands to prevent sticking. Form the sugar into a large ring, then begin to stretch and fold it over itself, creating a figure-8 shape. Repeat this stretching and folding motion continuously for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you work, you'll notice the sugar transforming into increasingly fine, silky threads resembling cotton. As the sugar threads become incredibly fine and numerous, gently gather them together. You'll see them magically form into that familiar, fluffy, cloud-like ball of cotton candy. This is the moment you've been working towards. Serve your delicious, hand-pulled cotton candy immediately to enjoy its fresh, melt-in-your-mouth texture. If you happen to have any left over, which is unlikely, store it in an airtight container to protect it from humidity. Enjoy your homemade, sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.